Hello, my name is Zeny. I work for Klein Kitchen and Bath, and let me tell you a little bit about this project.
Right now, we're in the typical Manhattan-sized kitchen. As you can see, we have the kitchen cabinets already installed. We have this beautiful flooring installed. But let me talk to you about the importance of having a metal liner in your cabinets. Now, what's really good about this is after spending so much money on your kitchen cabinets, if there's ever a leak down the line, God forbid, but if so, then this is going to retain some of that water, so it's not going to damage your cabinets.
Another thing that's really common here in the cities are these units. Obviously, it's such an eyesore, but if you can imagine, what we're going to do here is we're going to have a built-in cabinet specifically for this unit, and the cabinets are going to match the look of her kitchen cabinets here. The countertop is going to extend over and serve as the windowsill and also the cover for this AC unit. And that's perfect landing space for a vase, for flowers, whatever you see fit.